Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Al Hadi Learning Center. Today our topic is going to be negative numbers part 1. So let's get started. What are negative numbers and where do we use them? Negative numbers are numbers less than 0. You might have seen some numbers with the minus sign. These are what negative numbers look like. For example, the number minus 5. There is a minus before the number 5, so this is a negative number. We use negative number in temperature, algebra, graphs and coordinates. This is our number line. Positive numbers, negative numbers, higher numbers, lower numbers. 0 is always neutral. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's always neutral. To add and subtract negative numbers, we have to change the double sign first. For example, 12 add minus 3, double sign. To change it into single sign, we have to follow the rules. The rule is positive and negative is equal to negative. Positive and negative equals to negative. So change the sign. 12 minus 3 equals 9. Another example, 5 minus 9. Two negatives. The rule is negative and negative equals to positive. So change negative sign to positive. 5 plus 9 equals 14. Here is a top tip. When you add a negative number, the answer is lower. We are adding a negative number to a positive number, but when we worked out, the answer is lower. 12 minus 3, which is lower than 12. When you subtract a negative number, the answer is higher. 2 negative numbers. But when we worked out, the answer is 14. Higher than 9, higher than 5, 14. A number line is very useful, especially for the beginners. However, as your skills begin to develop, you might find it quicker to work out the question mentally. For example, if the question is minus 6 plus 4, so let's make a number line. Our positive numbers and negative numbers. Question is minus 6 plus 4. Start at minus 6 and count 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is minus 2. Another example, 4 minus 5. Here is our positive 4. So start at 4, count 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. That's how you work out the negative number. In my next video, part 2, I will be talking about multiplying and dividing the negative numbers. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your family and friends.